Well, this is kind of like the Forest Hilton of privies, complete with shit grip bars and handicap ramp. That's right, Virginia cares so much about the disabled people. They put in handicap accessible stuff into the privy, and they built you a little ramp. However, getting your wheelchair down here is going to be a bit, well, let's put it this way. It'd make for one hell of a YouTube video, getting a wheelchair down this trail. Well, here we are at the Thomas Knob shelter. I really wanted to, really wanted to spend the night about less than a mile up the trail. I think it's like 0.8. They got a lot of great camping area, and they got a bear box, but we had crazy weather coming in, and if you know it's gonna rain, and it's gonna rain hard, your best option is just to go stay in the shelter. Keep your tent dry, keep your equipment dry, you know, all that. We got a bear box located about, say 100 feet north of the shelter on the trail, or Nobo on the trail, because it technically could be south depending on which way the trail is winding. And then we got this little blue blaze which leads right up over the hill over here for the water source. Let's see here. Should be able to, there's the bear box. You can see it over there. We're in a cloud, so no views. Got a metal roof so I can really tell when it stops raining. And yep, in traditional fashion, I was the last guy in, so we stayed up on the upper level. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second while I negotiate these rocks, trying not to get my socks wet. Hey guys.
Hey.
Welcome to Thomas Knob.
Yeah.
From the inside, right up this ladder.
Oh, okay. I was looking at you.
That's where I'm staying.
Awesome.
So, this is where we slept last night with Skillet and Joe and a guy named Yogi. And I've been opening up the windows, smoking outside. Well, I gotta tell you guys. Oh boy. Past few days I've been battling some kind of a cold. Not sure I've got pink eye, but 2 days ago it was the right eye. Yesterday it was the left eye. Just dropping all kinds of boogers all over on me. And then, cough. Just haven't been feeling good. That's a real bummer. Just thinking about taking a nap, just taking it really easy today, not pushing myself, and going in between the rain spurts. Just trying to get out of the area because it's just rain for the next 4 days, off and on, which is not good if you're not feeling well. And about to cross the 500-mile mark. Grayson Highlands are right ahead. Well, at least we'll see those today. If I get up, if I don't take a zero right here. Because I might. It's not a bad idea. Wait out the worst of the rain. But the rain stopped right now. So technically all I got to do is pack up and get on my way. It's not supposed to rain that bad tonight. 30% chance. Decisions. Every day, every hour. And to make matters worse, I have a blister on my left heel. Super Silver and Luco tape, that's how I'm going to tackle it. Hopefully that does the trick. If not, I might be off the trail for a bit. And that would suck. But that's life. Anyways, catch you guys down the trail.